right, welcome to today's show. And we're very happy because even though say we understand, say a lot of things where we actually clamor for inside we do Nigeria, we never really achieve them. Like our healthcare, educational sector, even oil, foreign reserve, they drop, money we not get for account, corruption, they destroy us left, right, and center. We still there happy because at 55, we are still standing.
And
there are some people where they don't get a lot. Imagine Nigeria, like, first way analyze that for me, Nigeria na like woman. Imagine 36 men. They actually hammer her every day with corruption, with mago, with a lot of things. But still, she still stands.
Like the Rock of Gibraltar.
She still stands. Every day, 36 men, they actually attack her. And those 36 men now states, I beg. 36 states, they attack her. Even the federal capital, they attack her, but still she still stands. So now something to celebrate because Nigeria never divide. Not be America talk say during this election, say Nigeria go divide, but still we're still standing. So there was something to celebrate. Happy Independence, Nigeria! Yeah, it's our Independence Day. Tim Godfrey is in the studio.
Yay!
Yeah. To celebrate Independence Day with us. So celebrate. You're not happy?
Yeah.
For us now, wow.
Man, that happiness, we're happy, Sha.
The happiness come from one side of your heart.
I seen it come from the front side.
No, come from inside.
Inside there. Plenty things gotta happen before things come because that thing they happen naturally.
Okay, so if you give us a touch.
As I look all of them like this, even though everybody say, hey!
You dey wonder.
Waiting whether I don't follow the work with Buhari.
No, not be that one. You know why we they actually happy say yes we're 55? Because at 55 years, you fit come off for your house, drive, come this place, and nothing happened to you for road. For other countries, you not fit try them. Because terrorism,
some other countries.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. For some other countries, you know, if you try because terrorists, they finish them left, right, and center. This military group, they fight this other one. See Syria, see other, see Bangui, they actually suffer. But if you come for your house, stay here. Yeah. We will still get job. We can sit down here and talk to you when they're out there.
Plenty of things will don't happen. In fact, even last say 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. If I don't remember anything, you be like say I don't get lights past normal. In fact, the light what they get now they fear me. And they always want to look whether anything won't happen. Sometimes I go see them go offward, like make people like say they don't take the lights. You know? So I mean that's something we say we're supposed to be happy for.
Of course.
So things they better, it go better still, but we'll take off with the happy. We're going to go happy too much, everything gonna go scatter. So small go happy.
It's just like that time when we small, when they bring like say, up the
That's not resume.
Your brother will say,
Have you don't reduce?
Don't reduce. If you praise them, they will take
life. Children of the coming generation not going to wait up nepa meal.
In fact, from my own place when I come from Kaduna, now for my eyes, they started to put pole, they put wire for the place because now darkness now would day from beginning. So don't be smart in all those times. And the good thing we say, somebody be the tell me say when you want to go online, say the in no NEPA person, and I talk I'm saying I made them here. Say then go, what did they do? They just tell the person to say, "Oh God, how far now? I go send something that help me on the light." The guy will go. You don't on. They say no, you don't on. Apparently, not people light on. You go up and back. And they assume those people they do up NEPA. They back. You don't on the back. You don't on. Okay, you don't on. Okay. So I saw the matter be before. But now I know be like that again. Nigeria done better.
You see, you supposed happy?
Yeah, so we're happy.
So that's why they're happy from the surface.
Yeah.
All happiness, the happiness.
All right, we get Tim
Godfrey. Bad pass. Anyway, we get Tim Godfrey for inside the building. For those of you for house, we actually know who Tim Godfrey be. In a multi-talented gospel artist, Kaduna-born charismatic musician, will be second born of 4 brothers and 2 sisters from the family of Mr. and Mrs. Victor Godfrey. If they think whether they actually
she gets out.
He started music training right from in teenage age, and at that year, then there was a father for inside adult choir for in family church for inside Kaduna, where he actually obtained in primary and in secondary education. After he done be music director for over like a decade, with plenty of experience for music directing, voice grooming, song arrangement, songwriting, plenty big things when they do for inside the industry. He can start in professional music career for February 14, 2004. I get it.
Wow, you correct. I don't know. You're
Introduce a brand of contemporary
Wait
sound by infusing Western feels into African music, and he don't get award for Inside UK, the one when they call Best Gospel Group for Inside Africa, and the PBO Award Best Gospel Group in Nigeria. Tim Godfrey and Extreme, the people where they fear God past any other thing for this life, and they know say God they love, and they do everything in excellence and in performance. Wow. Tim Godfrey, they coordinate the band, and then they perform for Inside different places. They don't get Cora Awards for Inside the year 2005, and they don't perform for Ghana and Obodo plenty places. It's a big song.
It's a waka about.
We don't have an anyhow Pelzin in our studio.
It have to. You know what? He go make sure say he shows that talent before he come up for this place.
Of course.
He no get choice.
All right, you can imagine the caliber of person where we get for inside the studio. You know, see how Bettina after they read the profile, it's just they talk say he do this, he get this award for the United Kingdom, he get this. But what's wrong to you? Now you know the kind of person we'll get for inside the studio. Tim Godfrey is in the studio to celebrate our independence with us and to chill with the talk ladies.
Yes, we're not too fine.
Oh, now you fine, partner. When I see him, you know, say make I not lie. I know your name, I know your music. If I see you for real, like, well, I can't pass you.
Yeah.
Person now sharply come meet me, say, oh, your guest there for reception. I say, okay, if I dey pass, I go see him. When I come people, I say, this one a fine boy. I look at guys, a fine boy. What's it happen? Now I come go, I say, okay.
What's make you feel like now the name no fine, make you get picture?
Everything fine. I don't get any picture, but you surpass my expectation.
Ha.
Actually, you know many times I pass
eat for 3 days.
She not even know.
I don't even know. I don't pass on like 10 times. You see me when I dey pass you, I pass on like 10 times.
So you can imagine.
I look and pass. Okay.
I don't eat 3 days.
No, chop, make the beauty
That's
not
the
come.
happiness, eh?
No, chop.
I feel go lean, the beauty go come out. That means I don't make them.
Yeah, you don't.
Are you done? They make
You don't.
You know if I don't blow.
No, I never blow. If I blow like this, you go notice.
You don't make
You
her.
don't notice.
You
My
go
brother.
notice.
You don't like
I
the
need to
blow
make
now.
you my friend, though. Because if you never blow like this, now if you say the future is bright.
When it blow, it go touch all of us.
Yeah.
like this.
Sister, anointing go
Anointing
flow.
go
Yeah.
flow.
All right, time for us to take African proverbs. Now you know, say if African proverbs will only bring and come for you because they get some kind of proverbs where we not even understand. So we're going to need to understand them well. You understand? All right, number one African proverb, do we have that? It talks say, no matter how long a log stay for inside water, enough it become crocodile.
I don't know. I too know that proverb.
Wetin e mean?
It simply means say, waiting you be. You know if it be past waiting you be. If you be Betiana, you know if it be Uwi. You cannot be another
Make I give you
person.
my own explanation for that quote. If you be Talika, you be Talika. Whether you follow or lower from now to the day where you pine. Talika na Talika.
You can't go that guy.
You know if he change the mentality.
Local person. Must you use that Talika?
Excuse you.
Hello. How are you?
I'm a gender somebody. Don't talk to me like that.
Oh, sorry.
It's Independence Day.
Gendered Betiana.
Something about what you think said this proverb actually mean. No matter how long log stay for inside water, enough it become crocodile.
So that one means say, make you just dissatisfied. You see I'm from another place for where you did because if you try go overdo some kind of things, you go put yourself up for trouble. So even though say it means say no matter how you want to be, you know if you become another person, it's still supposed to mean say no matter as you want to try, just take things step by step. You know if you become anything overnight. But me, I believe say life no elevator for life. You must gradually climb the steps. So anywhere where you did for every condition, take them easy, they go gradually. One day, that log go still waka reach one side too. So, but you know if we
For me, I just get to say we all day unique. So you not try be any other person. Just try be yourself. Because no matter how you try to be a Amaka or be Tim Godfrey, where they actually do wonders with the music, you can never be Tim Godfrey. You go surely be yourself. So you not try to be any other person. Just stay unique. The way God they actually create you. Now number 2.
How you scope me?
He who will swallow.
You see him?
Hey, leave me this. Come here.
Okay, continue.
The person where go swallow apple seed must consider the size of his anus.
Dala.
What do you mean?
It means
Just
say,
a solo dollar,
before you take any decision, you must be ready to bear the consequence.
Udala they affect.
My small pikin go try to bring out udala seed from where they see they come out from. You go no say they pain.
Any kind seed they pain.
Or may you swallow mango seed. Now that's why you use udala. That's why you use mango seed.
Mango seed.
That's why you want to swallow mango seed. You need to consider the size of your inhale.
And then
In fact, the size of your throat. Now you go first consider.
Now
the throat you go first consider the size.
Who they do face? You never see them before?
No.
Oh. Oh wow.
I never see person swallow mango seed.
No, let me give that one. This
That one,
na
example we give.
Udala.
Agbalumo.
Udala na agbalumo.
Yes.
That and agbalumo.
Okay, I just swallow the seed.
You dey swallow am?
We know your size.
Hey, I been know the house that day. I been travel.
Oh my God! Think of what you business.
I been travel.
Okay, you don't travel now.
I travel.
Okay, me, I travel too. I travel too.
I been travel as I come back. I been hearing something, but they don't come give me the gist again.
All right, the next
I take
one.
off
You know
regular.
what? If you actually know the meaning of all this program, just send them enter with Twitter at TokTok. Let us know what you visit the meaning actually be for this proverbs. This particular one will make us laugh now. Person where go swallow udala seed must consider the size of it behind. Of the anus. Yeah. Number 3, the fly that has no one to advise him, he go follow corpse enter inside grave.
Oh, that one for pigeon na person wey fly wey no dey hear go follow their body enter grave.
Fly they hear what before?
The one where they train.
Now the train fly.
It's really Independence Day because you are independent in your speech.
I did tell you and your thoughts as well. Fly in the day.
But that's true now. Fly, no, it just simply means a person who is stubborn. They're just ready to face the consequences.
Yeah.
If you say you want, if you don't put your mind say you want to do this particular thing, if you do anything where you jam, they come. Especially if they don't want you, say, no go that place, it's no good for you. You still chook your 2 left legs inside. Anything you find, you go get.
That's true. If you do, go put yourself inside trouble, you go face the consequences and make everybody they careful what they do because no be about what you achieve with the point. Now waiting the result go talk because you go feel they pursue one thing, you don't know say the end. Now that one like go put yourself and then make you know the day very, very greedy. Now what that it mean? Because sometimes people like dead body they sweet. I don't know whether they make fly they follow the body now.
Fly they follow. Now the things that even sweet. Now fly they follow. Now see when don't spoil. Now fly they follow.
I they see fly they follow something sweet so.
Mango.
If you hold mango like this, they will feed your
follow
turn glove give you for hand.
No, nah. You go to eat the mango. Still got free. Stop.
Wait.
When I be na posh where for Kaduna those days, they lick 'em. Okay, it's okay.
It's okay, yeah, it's very okay.
Then go plenty for your
No,
hand.
don't do that.
It's Independence Day.
It's better deal. Be very careful.
But I told that story of that man where plenty fly.
Oh, we.
Like the last one. When the handshake passes the elbow, it becomes another thing.
Now from clap then they enter dance. And the explanation of that one be that.
That is
They clap that dance.
Mercy handshake with the party.
How are you?
I see this time around I be the sleep.
You go wake up.
You go wake up.
You go wake up.
I'm in their bedroom they sleep when this one they happen.
You just sleeping messy.
As in the thing now volume 5 I drink like this like 10 I sleep.
Wake up.
So waiting enter that
All right, we actually need to buy a small break. If you know the meaning about this program, I will not to give you just enter sharply. Run. Enter Twitter at TokTok Wazobia or Facebook on TokTok-Wazobia TV. When they come back, more fun things today to celebrate our Independence Day.
Happy Independence, Nigeria! You too, they copy.
How far I do go there now? As I be now, my name is Gideon Okeke when they watch
TokTok.
TokTok within the show.
On top Wazobia TV.
Wazobia.
Are they for Wazobia TV now?
Don't change that channel.
Hold on right there, not do yourself.
You suppose stay on that dial, not go anywhere, I beg, not change the channel.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.